Sometimes, but not always, good things happen to good people. Our very own Xolani Khumalo is the mayoral candidate for Ekurhuleni.
So South Africa is my home, Ekurhuleni is my home, and the love I have for this place, it's very big. And I've experienced the ups and downs, the pain of growing up in this place. I understand very well what Ekurhuleni needs because I'm from here and I know how things should be.
Now I just realized the 2026 local general elections will be the most important in history because a lot is happening. As you notice, as you saw, Helen Zila is running for mayor of Joburg. And also Tshwane, don't think that things are safe in Tshwane. The DA has been campaigning heavily.
Number two, we've been suppressed and oppressed for a long time by law enforcement that is very corrupt. When we work, they would open cases against us, turning criminals into victims. But us, as people that are fighting crime, we are then turned into criminals. So that shows you the amount of corruption that is there. So we are here to fix that.
So people of Ekurhuleni, you know who to vote for. This is your next mayor, Xolani Khumalo. If you don't vote for this man, I don't know what you are doing.
We want to finish this thing of people thinking that getting into government or pretending like you are serving the people, it's a get-quick-rich scheme. That is why I want to take this learning curve into getting into the office of mayorship in Ekurhuleni.